Oh, wait.
I'm ready. Yep. It's recording, Scotty. Come on, brother. Oh, yeah, he tight up in that old girl. You know, I like that so bad. I know Lamborghini ain't got shit on your daddy. Oh, you know. You know, look at that girl. For real, though. Now, that's a good part right there, though. Yeah, he just had to adjust his joystick so it fit up under the steering wheel. Look at that girl. Look at that. Look at how tight that look, though. Yeah. Yeah, tell me your dad ain't good up in there. Look. Tell me your dad ain't good up in there. Look, Scott, I got it zoomed in on you, too. Good.